Some blessings. This is Nubia I, the Raw Food Goddess, the Womb Priestess, and Holistic Practitioner. And I'm sitting today on my couch, and I'm coming from my phone because my computer is doing what it does. Anyway, I really wanted to talk to you all today about nature again and beauty and what the two have to do with each other. I want to reiterate in every way possible the connection between what we look like and how we feel and what we eat. And I want to do it in a way that doesn't seem overwhelming or like impossible. How about that? So let me tell you what I mean. I wanted to talk about again how to keep a flat belly. And that when you are bloated, when your stomach appears to feel bloated even hours after you've eaten, it's because of the digestion process, that it hasn't been completed. And so what happens when the body finds, or really, find is a good word, when you eat your food, the body is looking for nutrients from the food. That's all it identifies, is that this is something that I extract nutrients from. When it's finished extracting, it takes what's left, the waste, and it moves through your colon and you release it through a bowel movement. But what most of us do is remember, especially fruit. Remember, I always tell you, do not eat fruit after a large meal. Eat fruit on an empty stomach. Why? Because remember, the fruit only takes 20 minutes to leave the body, and the fruit, remember, has these things called simple sugars. So sugar is sugar, but when at first it energizes you if it can leave the body quickly. But if you have fruit after a large meal, and we're talking about just a large, really cooked meal, which takes 1 to 2 to 4 hours sometimes to digest, you have the food like a traffic jam that's backed up, the fruit. And what the fruit does is, because it took so long to leave your system, it putrefies in your system, which means it rots, causing all kinds of digestive problems and bloating. So you want to eat your fruit in the morning or on an empty stomach, and then an hour or so later you want to eat your whole meal or your full meal or your heavier meal, if you are going to have a heavier breakfast or if you decide to have one. The other thing is, another important thing to beautiful health and longevity is not drinking liquids. I don't care if it's wine, beer, okay? I don't care if it's milk, whatever you eat or drink, or water or soda or juice or even a natural juice or even a smoothie, you cannot drink it with food, okay? Because what happens is, again, when you're eating, your body is creating hydrochloric acid, your stomach, which allows the breakdown of the food. But when you drink liquids, you're diluting the hydrochloric acid, which then your food is not digested, which then sits in your stomach, and then what happens? You become bloated. You gain weight, all those things that you don't want in that area. So rule of thumb is drink your liquids 30 minutes to an hour before and after, and I recommend an hour. I've been doing this lately, and it has really improved my bloating, no bloating, and my stomach is flatter than ever. So the other thing is, remember too, we want to eat less in a day, and this will actually help us to do it. So remember, if the body has a lot of food to digest, then it's working really hard. We're putting a lot of stress on our internal organs, therefore making us look older. This is where the aging process starts to accelerate, because we are putting foods in our body and too much and not spacing it, that our body is overtaxed. So think about this. If you had your fruit in the morning and then you waited an hour before you even had, I'll go better. If you had your green smoothie in the first thing in the morning, then you waited a whole hour, because you know the smoothie takes about even an hour to go through and to digest. An hour is safe. Then you had your fruit, and you waited another hour before you had anything else, which hopefully is a couple of hours, and it's lunchtime. You have your lunch, which may be the biggest meal of the day, so then you want to think about, I might need 2 hours at least for this to digest before I even take a liquid. But if you want to go for the 1 hour, I would go for 2. Then you have something to drink. So remember, no more back to the sandwich and the soda or the water and the soup, or even tea and soup and tea. No, you want to have that before or after. And then it comes, hopefully it's dinner, and after your dinner you might want to have a smoothie afterwards or some other drink. You have to wait at least an hour. First of all, there's only so many waking hours in the day, so you have eliminated all the in-between. Even when you snack, snack an hour after every meal. Snack an hour before you drink something. It seems rigid, but it's really not. Your body becomes trained. I'm telling you, y'all been doing this. Your body becomes trained. So not so much I'm telling you what you're eating right now or what to eat. I'm telling you how to eat and how to space your lunch, your dinner, and your breakfast. And then the best part is once you stop eating because you have to wait so many hours, most likely you'll have your last meal 3 hours before you go to bed because the body is in a state of rest at night. But if you eat something, it will try to digest. It will be very sluggish because the body is so intelligent. It knows that it's supposed to take its time. Okay? So making sure that you eat food 3 hours, your last meal before you go to sleep. Ladies and men, because men, we be having issues too around the belly area. Ladies and men, brothers and sisters, I tell you, you will change the way you look, which will then give you more life, which will give your organs, internal organs, a break, and will allow you to stay beautiful and glowing for a very long time. My next video, I want to talk to you more about breathing and yoga and how that can aid in digestion, but I just wanted to make sure I came back with these very important tips. If you have any questions or comments, just leave it, and I hope this is helpful. This is Nubia I, the Raw Food Goddess, the Womb Priestess, and the Holistic Practitioner, and I'm wishing you peace, love, and good digestion. Hotep.